Dark side, light this bitch up.
Watch it move. Oh, look at this GTR. Stand between the two Lamborghini. Oh, sorry.
Stand right there between them, ma'am.
Stand right there.
She don't want to.
Just stand over there, please. So I can get a picture of you with some Lamborghinis. Not often you see a Ford F-150 on slicks, drag radials. Yeah. I8. Audi R8.
Cameras to turn on because they don't have enough footage, you know what I mean, Darren? You don't want to miss that special moment.
Track hawk.
Alright, here we go. The last and final before I put a car cover on her and go drive something else. I've actually only made one pass myself. Maybe I'll bring her out when the DA goes down and see if I can beat that 874 that we ran on Tuesday. Mr. Drag Time is going to be in the Corvette. And Mr. Vehicle Virgins, both YouTube channels will be in the Tesla Plaid. Again, this is like the third Plaid we're running, just so no one can make any excuses that there was a broken one or two or three or whatever. Make sure they don't get any water on the tires. I know Brooks will do a burnout in the Corvette. And here we go.
There's a pink BMW.
You guys are in Vegas now? She want her headphones? Yeah, we should probably.
Must be Mustang Central. Good sir, how you doing? Oh yeah. We're ready. How goes it, sis?
Alright, fans, once again, as he just mentioned, we're going to do some racetrack touch-up to get ready for next 58, so that'll take us a little bit of time. Next 58 will be next. Take us a little bit of time to get that taken care of on track prep, so you've got some time before you go out and grab yourself something to eat or drink again. Get this warm out to each other. Please stay hydrated. Go and see our friends at the TX2K merchandise booth. Also, go over and check out our friends at Summit Racing Equipment as well as the 1320 video booth. All three of those great players, we appreciate all the hard work we did in the all the way done for TX2K over the years. But also want to know about all of our sponsors that are here on board. Again, over 100 different sponsors and shops are here on site. And without them, TX2K would not have the support of all of them. We're going to leave off a few here to get started. MVP Motorsport, hot rods and muscle cars, T1 Race Development, ETB Turbo Blanket, McMillan James Equipment Company, 0 to 60 Performance, The Shop Houston, Texas Speed and Performance, East Coast Super, Visconti Tuning, Pure Electric, Joetech, Vitus Race Construction, Mexico Racing League, AMS Performance, Fresh Links, Real Street Performance, Workhorse Performance, LG Motorsports, Light Motorsports, Chef Training, Boost Logic, Induction Performance, Precision Turbo, One Ethanol, Sunlight Solutions, Well Race, Silent Industries, 80 Hours Performance, Red Eye Race Cars, Extreme Plumbing, Brooklyn Motors,
Upgraded.
Racing, Ford Star, Wyatt Racing.
It's an upgraded supercharger because your snout is on the front. So this is like a 3.0. Gives you, that one right there probably give you about 1100 horsepower.
Here at TX2K 26 at Texas Motor.
Another upgraded supercharger. Another Lambo. Oh look, Viper. More Lambos. Some more Lambos. Subaru. Don't fit, does it? It's ridiculous how much money is out here. Whatever y'all want to do. That's a McLaren. That's only 500,000. Carbon fiber.
Shots and message.
Yeah, he said he's turning in a long line. See, look, McLaren. That's 350K right there.
I wonder if he
You have to ask him what gate he's coming in. They gate, since that's the gate 20.
That's because we asked.
That's what you need right there. That S6 Avant. See, ain't nothing wrong with that Ford.